Okay, so we've got these properties of logs, and I want to go through a few logarithmic expressions so that we can see how these properties can be used. So let's suppose that we have an expression like this, and we want to condense this expression using these properties to a log of a single quantity. So notice that they're both base 2, which that's what we have to have. We have to have the same base. And notice we have a sum of logs. Well, that draws our attention up to this property. We can rewrite this as a single log of a product. So in other words, I could rewrite this as log base 2 of 3x. Okay? Let's take a look at this one. Now we have a difference of logs. Log base 7, 3 minus log base 7x. This is a difference, so it's telling us, it's pointing us to this property. Now, note that this is just log base 7 of 3 over x. It's not log base 7 of 3 over log base 7 of x. No, it's just one log here, a log of this quotient. That's what it is. Okay, let's try this one now. With this one, we've got a couple of things going on. We've got this plus here, which draws our attention to this property, but also we've got these coefficients in front of the logs, which makes us think of this property. Well, here's what we want to do. It's sort of like, you think of order of operations. Take care of the exponents first. In other words, what I need to do here is I need to bring the 3 up first. So I'm going to call this log base 5 of x cubed plus log base 5y squared. So you take care of the exponents first. If you've got coefficients of the logs, go ahead and bring those up and make them exponents. Do that first. Then you come back, and now that's taken care of. Now we can go through here and take care of this sum. Like this. So you just put them together. Okay. Now, so here's the 3 properties. Let's go the other way. Let's suppose that we have a log, just one quantity here, and we want to expand the expression. In other words, we want to go backwards from what we just did. So we've got log base 2 of 7x. We write that as log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of x. Okay, using this property. We've got log base 10, this is a common log, 4 over x. So we want to use this property, right? Because if we've got log of something, u over v, we can write it this way. So we just break it apart that way. Okay, now, here's one. The natural log of the square root of xy. So let's take care of the exponent first. You might say, well, there's no exponent there. Yeah, there is, right? The square root. That's like xy to the 1/2. So let's view it that way. The log of xy to the 1/2. So we take care of this exponent part first. Okay, do that first. So I'll bring around the 1/2 to the front. Now I can break this apart. See, log xy. Now, so here we go. Now notice the 1/2 still applies to both of these. So what you wouldn't want to do is just say 1/2 log x plus log y and not have the parentheses here. See, the 1/2 applies to both of these. So I've got 1/2 log xy. This whole thing is expanded and it's multiplied by the 1/2. So be sure and put your little brackets there or your parentheses, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's look at this one. Here's another one. Once again, we've got that exponent. We've got to take care of that first. So I want to bring that around front like that. Now, I'm going to expand this, and here's the deal. If it's on top, look, if you have something on the bottom, like this z, there's going to be a minus in front of that log. If it's on top, it's going to be a plus. So what you're going to do is, if you see it on the bottom, there's going to be a minus in front. So let's see how this is going to look. You're going to have 7 log x plus log y How do you deal with this bottom? Minus log z. See? Because it came from the bottom. So you're going to have a minus.